worse than normal.
Right, exactly.
Oh. Get that, how cute is that?
Those biohazard shoots. Are you ready?
buddy.
How did you get it on your nose again? You always manage to get it on your nose.
Oh.
Okay, and it's all in your chest.
Look, this is good. Dad, I love it. Nice.
Hold still. I know you're excited.
Good eater.
You're a very good eater.
This is
Oh, okay. I'm so excited about sweet potatoes. It's just unreal.
like, just give me the whole tub.
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, you pick it up and dump it everywhere. I'm sorry. We can't have that. He's so fun. Take a picture of me. Oh,
Right?
yeah.
Look how
Take a
cute
picture
I
of me.
am.
Do it.
I'm
Do
wearing
it.
my
Look at me. I'm awesome.
Oh.
Oh, you need to hurry and take a picture of it so he'll be satisfied.
That's a video.
Take a
Oh, you're doing video. Oh, okay, well here. Because I don't know how much video time we have left on there. Here you go, Charles.
Where am I? Let's see. What's it on here? I have no idea. Let me settle down. I'll go in a minute.
He always shows off for the camera.